So to do this, you'll need two 24 centimeter 24 pack sparklers. We'll need one 40 centimeter 8 pack sparklers and one roll of duct tape. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I've just smoothened it out a bit and all the touches. So how this is going to work is that, as you can see, we've got the warm ones in the middle. This will act as a fuse but also look pretty, just to act like a normal sparkler. Anyway, it will make its way down to the main section. And you must have this really thick or else it's not going to work very well. And if it's thick and it's got that much showing, then that's good. Because then what will happen is it will go down and then it will either go boom or it will just fizz like a normal sparkler. Let's find out. Oh god, it's a nuke right there! Oh, I was right! Oh, look at that! That was cool! Hey guys, that is the rest of our experiment and this is what we got. Pretty cool.